We live in an age of shallow skimming. Nobody does deep dives anymore. Deep diving is something that we've lost. It's a bit of a lost art. I know for me, for most of my adult life, I read maybe 3, 4, 5 books a year, right? Grab a couple for the vacation or a long flight. You know, at the end of the year, I got a couple on the bedside table, but I never got into books. I didn't have time or space for it. Well, to read more books, you need to do 3 things. Number 1, you need to centralize it in your home. My wife Leslie and I moved our TV to our unfinished dark basement, and we installed a bookshelf into the wall by our front door. It sounds like a simple change, but once we did that, the bookshelf is the central object in our house. It's like Roald Dahl wrote in the poem called Television. Oh, please, we beg, we pray, go throw your TV sets away, and in your place you can install a lovely bookshelf on the wall. The second thing you need to do when it comes to reading is you need to commit. Professor Robert Cialdini in his seminal book Influence showed that when people make a bet on a horse, they suddenly think that horse is going to win. Like once you make the bet, now you believe in it. But why can't you be the horse? Why can't you make a bet on yourself? Why can't you open up a Reco account or a Goodreads account, invite a few friends to watch you, and every time you read a book, you track it, you post it, you say where you are on the page, you conclude it. I know for me, I started a monthly book club email just so I have to email everyone I know at the end of every month with which books I've read. People subscribe because now they want to know what books I want to read. I made a commitment on myself and it's public, so I'm declaring that I'm going to read books. Declare to yourself that you're going to read more. Number 3, think of reading like the 10,000 steps a day rule. A friend of mine tells a great story about how he heard Stephen King once say, you got to read 5 hours a day. And my friend was like, baloney, no one's gonna do that. But then my friend was in Maine, of all places, in line outside a movie theater, and Stephen King was in line ahead of him, reading a book. He goes into the movie theater. The guy's reading till the screen lights up. He's reading walking out. He's like, this guy's reading all the time. Have I confirmed the story with Stephen King himself? No, I have not. But the point stands. There are minutes hidden in all the creaks and corners of the day, and you could be reading in those minutes. Now in my backpack, I carry with me 1 fiction and 1 nonfiction book every single place I go. I got it in my backpack on the side of the set right here. Those 3 things dramatically up your reading rate. And at the end of the year, when you can look back on a pile of books being read, you will be more satisfied and it will increase your happiness.